Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the first module of chapter Electricity. In this module, we are going to study and discuss the introduction part of the chapter Electricity. Electricity drives our world now. It is widely used these days in our bulbs, television, AC, heater, fan. Even laser lights and torches require electric current to function. Can we imagine a life without electricity? Discovery of electricity was a new revolution in the history of mankind. We cannot think a day even without electricity, right? Now let us study what is electricity in detail. There are generally two forms of electricity. One is static electricity and the other dynamic electricity. In this chapter, we are going to study only about dynamic electricity. As the name indicates, it implies moving electricity or more clearly moving electric charges. What are electric charges? First, we will see what is an electric charge, which is a very important concept coming under physics. There are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. Positive charge is represented by a plus sign and negative charge is represented by a minus sign. Think about magnets. We all know that magnets have two poles, north and south. If two like poles comes in contact, it repels each other. And if two unlike poles comes together, it attracts each other. In the same way, two like charges, that is two positive or two negative, repels each other, and one positive and one negative attracts each other. What exactly is a charge and who carries this charge? These charges are carried by tiny particles which are very small, called subatomic particles. Positive charge is carried by protons and negative charge is carried by electrons. There are a large number of these particles present in the materials that we see around us. In metals, electrons can move randomly, whereas non-metals, electrons cannot move freely as their position is fixed somewhat. Any appliance in a, for example, tube light works when negatively charged electrons moves in the wire in one direction. This flow of electrons in a direction is called electric current. These wires are usually made of metals like copper or aluminium. Why the charges in a wire are moving in one direction? What makes the flow of charges in the wire? It is because of the energy supplied by the transformers, and with the energy given by the transformers, these electrons move in the wire, which makes the appliance work. Torches also works the same way, but here cells supplies the energy, not the transformer. So dynamic electricity or simply electricity is the flow of electric charge through a conductor in a definite direction. So what is electricity? It can be defined as the flow of charges. So we have studied what is electricity in this module. Thank you.